Hello friends. Soup from a vending machine. Something that you don't hear very often. But here in Japan it's quite common. So join me as I try different soups from a vending machine. Starting with number 1. Clam soup. Got my clam soup. There you go. Pop this open. Now it's got a murky texture to it. Oh. It definitely has a murky texture to it. I don't know if you can see in the can. But I think that's just like the fat coming off of the clams. Oh, there's definitely chunks of clam in here. That was surprising. I wasn't expecting that one. But the flavor is there. It's a light miso soup broth. Clam soup. I recommend. Corn soup in a can. That's right. Corn soup. Let's try this out. What's this lid? Ooh, that's a nice sound. It's definitely blended. It has a smell of like almost like a creamed corn. And there's actual chunks of corn in there as well. It's very rich, very creamy, but it's not as salty. I feel like if you're sick and in a pinch and just want like a piping hot soup, get it from one of these vending machines. I'd recommend it. And if I see any more soups from a vending machine, I'll review them here. Red bean soup. We've made it to Hakone Station, and red bean soup, everybody. It says to shake for 30 seconds. Yeah, that seems like enough. And then pop the top. It definitely smells like beans. Like red bean. Oh. So it smells extremely like bitter red bean. But the taste is surprisingly sweet. A chunk of red bean hit me in the back of the throat. And it's actually piping hot. I definitely didn't shake it enough. But red bean soup, I recommend. It's absolutely beautiful out here. And it stinks. The gondola ride was pretty sweet, but what's even sweeter are these black eggs. It is said that if you eat one of these eggs that is cooked in the sulfur, it'll add 1 year to your life. They don't say that? 10 years. 10 years. Cat has said 10 years, so I'm going to go ahead and eat one of these sulfur eggs. Time to try one of these eggs.